This is the Programmer Owl, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Edabit Python challenge check string for spaces. And in this challenge they want to create a function that returns true if a string contains any spaces at all. And I kind of looked through the resources just a smidge to kind of get an idea of where to go, and they have a few different methods, but I found a quick method that works for me because I've used this method before. It's the count method, and they give us the basic syntax for the function. They define it, they have the name for it, has spaces, and the argument it takes, which is txt. So I can come up with just one simple line, a return line of code. Return txt.count, and then inside I want to do spaces, or not spaces, quotation marks with a space in between. And if this is greater than 0, then it will return true, and if it's less than 0, or equals 0, it will return false, and that should satisfy the challenge. So let's check the code. And there you have it, all the tests passed. So you can use the count method to check strings for spaces.